downswing and stuff like that, what are you trying to mostly accomplish with ball striking, and what are you looking to maybe try to avoid? Fill me in a little bit on that.
Well, I like my ball flight to fall a little left.
Okay.
Not necessarily a hook,
Yep.
but obviously I just like a little fall left, little draw.
Okay.
So I've worked on my grip a little bit. I've strengthened my grip a slight bit.
All right.
And the other thing I'm working on is, with a little stronger grip, I'm trying to get the club. I feel like my setup's pretty good. I feel like I get in a pretty good posture.
Okay.
But I want to make sure that when I get the club back, I want my left wrist to be flat.
Okay.
Okay, because I feel like I can keep the club face under control a little bit better.
Okay.
Plus, I feel like I can press the ball a little better.
Okay.
But my issue has been I get a little too quick from the top, and therefore I get this big pull hook going on.
Gotcha.
So obviously I'm not firing correctly.
Okay. Gotcha.
So if I can eliminate that, and again, if you feel like it takes a grip change, great. I've tried the neutral grip, and I just can't get the ball falling a little left the way I like it to. So.
Well, go ahead and hit a few here. Let me take a look. Go ahead.
Okay. And just we're just
Yellow flag. Yellow flag. Yep. Well, that actually started a little left of your target. And we can tell by the divot going down kind of our alleyway here, divot pretty close to straight on towards your target.
Right.
And just like you said, your path, a little slight over the top, just because we can tell right here from the divot that the divot is pointing just slightly left of that yellow flag.
Okay.
Let's make sure that these sticks, which they're going right at it, so that tells you right there. So when you're practicing, you can tell, what your path is doing without a launch monitor or flight scope, something like that, just by what it tells you in the dirt.
Right.
I want to make sure that this, for you, is I want to make sure that this divot is going right down your target line. Okay. Playing with you in the past, I know you're susceptible to the pull hook kind of a thing.
Right.
And that's what happens when that path comes over the top, mixed with a closing down club face. That's what you're getting. And when you are coming more on plane, underneath the plane just a little bit with